Hi, this is Robert Davis again, and what we're going to do is get down to some real basics in Delphi to kind of get you up and running. And let's go ahead and get started. What we want to do is create a new Windows VCL application. There you see our form. We're going to change the caption to my app. And that's done. Next thing we're going to do, this is the main form. It drives the whole program. Everything that happens starts here and ends up somewhere else and might even come back here. So what we're going to do is put some objects on the form and program their events to give us the behaviors that we want. We'll drag that right there. And change the caption to quit, because that's exactly what it's going to do, is terminate the application. Now, on an object, to get to the event code, double click. There we go. And we'll type this. Application terminate semicolon. See if that works for us. There you see we got our caption changed on the form, and let's see, just quit work for us. Yes, it does. Go back to design mode, and I'm going to show you how to create a main menu. To do this, you drop this main menu item on the form, double click it, and you get this editor up. So we're going to type, just a generic menu. Here we're going to say help about my app. Okay, now to get to the code behind here, double click, yeah, there we go. Do the same thing as we did for the quit button on the form. And we'll get to the about my app in a minute here. So let's see, does this work for us? There you see, form caption, main menu, got our button still. Let's see if quit works for us. Yes, it does. Alright, we're going to play with about my app. We're going to say show message, open parentheses, open quote. You need the single quotes because this is a string. This is the about box for my app. Close single quote, close parentheses, semicolon. Okay, let's see how that works. No errors. Still got everything else. There you go. This is the about box for my app. With version numbers in there, icons, whatever, pictures, whatever you like. Okay. Let's go back to design mode. You can close this editor for now. And we're going to talk about label and edit. change the caption. Please enter your name here, colon. Okay, we got that. That's a T-label object. Now we want a T-edit object. Let's line this up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Is that right? Yeah. Those little lines help a lot. Okay. We can, let's just take the caption out of this. No, we'll leave it. And then we need one more T button object out here. It's lined up. And we'll just change the caption on this to simply go. Now, double click to get to the event. We're going to say concatenate the string with a plus symbol. We're going to say edit one text. We don't need that. And we'll say plus open single quote, exclamation mark, close single quote, close parentheses, semicolon. Okay. Now another thing we want to do is well, let's just look at this real quick. No errors. Okay, see how we have to click in here? Double click to highlight the whole thing. I'm going to put, and then click go. There you have it. Hello, Robert Davis! Exclamation point. So let's solve a couple other issues here. Look back at design mode. Select the form itself, and we don't want this form to be resized, so we're going to go to border style, and select single. Also, we want to position the form to desktop center. So then our show message boxes will show up in the center of this. And let's go ahead and run that. Okay. Double click in here. David enter Simone. He's that guru from Delphi, from Embarcadero, and handles a lot of interbase stuff. There you have it. It's supposed to be David. Anyway, we'll quit this. Oh, you see, our form is not sizable. It can be moved, but it's not sizable. And if you notice, we'll quit, run. The form starts up in the center of the desktop screen. Okay. Now what we want to do is on the form show event of the main form, we want to put the cursor and select the entire contents of the edit box. So we can do that simply by selecting the event on show, double click, and we'll say edit one, set focus, semicolon. Then we'll say edit one, select all. This should make a nice change for us that the person doesn't have to click around and click around. Seeing it's selected for us. So we'll say Ravi Shankar go. He's one of my favorite Zitar players. He's done a lot of music in his time. Anyway, there's a couple simple tips and tutorials for you. We'll cover some more in depth as we go. And I appreciate your time. See you soon.